Hello students, welcome to the another lecture. In this lecture we are continuing chapter 2 exercise 2.7 class 10 fractions and decimals. Class 7 fractions and decimals. So question 3 is find the value of all these divisions. Let's do the first part. 2.7 divided by 100. As I told you, first of all write it as fraction, and when you divide a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, so the value of the division numeric numbers will never change. 2 and 7 is here, 2 and 7 will come in the answer, but decimal will shift to the places toward left. So number of places depend on the number of zero present in the denominator. So there are two zeros over 1, so this decimal will shift 2 places left. So now decimal is there, so it will come, decimal is there in the question, 1 place, 2 place, it will shift to here. So this is the answer. Just decimal will shift its places. So this is the answer. Let's take second part. 0.3 divided by 100. So in this question again decimal will shift 2 places toward left. So 300. Now decimal will come here. Earlier it was here, so it has shifted 2 places. Now answer is 0.003. This is the answer. So number of places to shift the decimal, it depends on the number of zeros present in the denominator over 1. As there are 2 zeros, so place of decimal has shifted 2 places toward the left from its present position. Let's do the third part. 0.78 divided by 100. Again question is same, just you will have to shift the 0 by 2 places. So 1 and 2. If there is no number in left side, so you will write the 0. Third part is done. Let's do the fourth part. Fourth part is 432.6 divided by 100. Again same, decimal will shift 2 places, so 4.326. this is the answer. Fifth part. 23.6 divided by 100. 23.6 divided by 100. Again decimal will shift 2 places, so it will be 0.236. this is the answer. Sixth part of the same question is, let's see what's the question. Question is 98.53 divided by 100. 98.53 divided by 100. Write it as fraction. When you divide the number by 100, so decimal will shift 2 places left. This is the answer. Question number 3 has completed. Let's move ahead and do the question number 4. Question number 4 is also for division. This time you will have to divide the decimal number by 1000. So in question 2 you divide the number by 10. In question 3 was the division by 100. Now division by 1000. Let's take first part. 7.9 divided by 1000. So there is 3 zeros in the thousands over 1. So now this time decimal will shift 3 places toward the left. So 1 is this, 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. 0.0079. Second part is 26.3 divided by 1000. Again 0 will shift 3 places toward the left. So 1, 2, 3. It will come here. 0.0263. This is the answer. Third part is 38.53 divided by 1000. 38.53 divided by 1000. Again 0 will shift 3 places toward the left. So it will come 1, 2, 3 here. 0.03853. This is the answer. Fourth part. 128.9 divided by 1000. Again divide the decimal number by 1000. So again place of decimal will shift to by 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. It will come here. This is the answer. Fourth part is also done. Let's do the next and last part of this question. 0.5 divided by 1000. In fifth part, 0.5 divided by 1000. Divide the number 1. So decimal will shift 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. It will come here. 0.005. This is the answer. Question number 4 भी आपका complete हो चुका है. Let's move ahead and do the next question, which is question number 5. Question number 5. In this question, you will have to divide. Two types of questions are there. First is division of whole number by a decimal number, and the division of a decimal number by another decimal number. So method is very easy, as we did earlier, as we have learnt, like what is that? Just remove the decimal. 7 divided by 3.5. First of all, write the question as fraction, then remove the decimal, multiply the number to the numerator which has 0 over 1. So number of zeros depend on the digit after decimal, as there are only one digit after decimal. So we will divide by multiply by 10 to the numerator. If you removing the decimal from the denominator, then you will multiply in the numerator, and if there is decimal number in numerator and whole number in denominator, then you will multiply the number to the denominator. So now question is 7 multiply 10 divided by 35. Decimal has removed, it is 35, not 3.5. So now we will do the simple calculation for the division. Just multiply 7 tens are 70 divided by 35. Sorry, it's 35. It is 2. 70 is the multiple of 35 by 2 times. So 2 is the answer. First part is done. Let's do the second part. 36 divided by 0.2. Write the number as fraction. 36 divided by 0.2. There is a decimal number in the denominator. So first of all, I will remove the decimal and multiply the number, multiply by 10 to the numerator, because there is only one digit after the decimal at the right side of the decimal. That's why I will multiply by 10. If there will be two digit, then I will multiply by the 100. So it depends. You will multiply the number of zeros over 1 to the numerator, which is equals to the digit after decimal in the denominator. So now question is 36 multiply 10 by 2. So you 36 and 2 both are divisible by 10. You can divide any one. So I am doing 36. 2 18s are 36. 18 2s are 36. So now question is 18 multiply 10. 180 is the answer. Next question is 3.25 divided by 0.5. 3.25 divided by 0.5. Now numerator and denominator both are the decimal number, so you will have to remove the decimal from the both numbers, numerator and denominator. So you will have to multiply to the both denominator and numerator. So in the denominator, when you remove the decimal from the numerator, 1 will come here, and there are 2 digits after the decimal, so 20 will come there. And when you remove the decimal from the denominator, you will write 1, and there is only 1 digit after decimal, so you will multiply by the 10 to the numerator. So the question is 325 multiply 10 divide by 5 multiply 100. 100 is the multiple of 10, 10 tens are 100, and 325 can be divided by the 5 6 the 25, sorry 5 6 the 30, 0 5 5 the 65 is the answer. 65 divided by 10, which is 6.5. This is the answer. Let's do the fourth part. What is the fourth part is 30.94 divided by 0.7. 30.94 divided by 0.7. This one 0.7. So again decimal number is in the numerator and decimal number is in the denominator too. So I will multiply. First of all I will remove the decimal from the denominator, and as I am removing the decimal, I will write 1 here, and there is only 1 0 at the right place of the decimal, so I will multiply by the 10 to the numerator, and there are 2 numbers, so I will multiply by the 100 to the denominator. Now question is 3094 multiply 10 divide by 7 multiply 100. 10 100 से divide हो जाएगा, 10 आएगा. Let's check this number is divisible by 7. 7 4s are 28. I will do the division here for you. 7 4s are 28. 2 9. 7 4s are 28. 1 4 will come here. 7 2s are 14. 4 4 2. 4 4 2. Now 4 4 2 divided by 10, which is equals to 44.2. This is the answer. Fourth part is done. Let's do the next part, fifth part of the same question. Yeah, this is the fifth part. What is that? Fifth part is 0.5 divided by 0.25. 0.5 divided by 0.25. Again remove the decimal from the both places. There are 2 digit after the decimal in the denominator, so multiply. I will have to multiply the numerator by 100, and in the numerator there is only 1 digit after the decimal, so I will multiply by the 10 to the denominator. So the now question is 5 multiply 100 divide by 25 multiply 10. So 10 tens are 100. This time 100 is in the numerator, so 10 will remain in the numerator, and 5 5s are 25. So the question is, this is 10 by 5 is remaining terms. These are the remaining terms which is divisible. So 2 is the answer, that is the whole number. Next part, sixth part of the same question is 7.75 divided by 0.25. 7.75 divided by 0.25. 7.75 divided by 0.25. Let's I will tell you a trick here. Like, there is a decimal, there is all 2 digit after the decimal in the numerator, and in the denominator also 2 digits after the decimal. So when you multiply these numbers, you will remove the decimal from these numbers, these decimal numbers. So you will do the multiply to the denominator by 100 and to the numerator by 100 too. Okay, so in this case, this type of questions, when decimal is at the same places in both denominator and numerator, so decimal will cancel out by the decimal. So 775 divided by 25, it will come here. So you will check that place of decimal. If it is the same in the numerator and denominator both, then no need to multiply any number like 10, 100, 1000. Just decimal will cancel out by the decimal, and this number of terms will left. So 775 is divisible by 25. So 25 3 is 75, 3 is 75, and 1 is 31 is the answer. Let's do the seventh part of the same question. Seventh part is 76.5 divided by 0.15. 76.5 divided by 0.15. 76.5 divided by 0.15. Now place of decimal is not the same in the numerator and denominator, so I'll have to remove the decimal. So I will multiply by 10 to the denominator and multiply by 100 to the numerator, because it's depend on the digits after the decimal in both places. So 765 multiply 100 divide by 15 multiply 10. 100 is divisible by 10, and let's check is this number is divisible by 15. Let's do the division here. 15 5s are 75, 1 will left, I will write the 5, 15 1s are 15. So yeah, it is divisible and answer is 51. So 51 multiplied 10 is 510. This is the answer. Next part of the same question, eighth part is, let's see the question. Eighth part is 37.8 divided by 1.4. 37.8 divided by 1.4. Again you can see that the place of decimal is same in the both numerator and denominator, is just after the one place, so decimal will cancel out by decimal. So 378 divided by 14. This is the question. Let's check is this number 378 is divisible by 14. Let's do the division. 17 to the 28, so 9 will left, I will write 8. 14, yes, 14 7s are 98. It is divisible and answer is 27. Eighth part is completed. Let's do the next and last part of the same question. Ninth part is, what is that? Ninth part is 2.73 divided by 1.3. 2.73 divided by 1.3. So place of decimal is not the same in both numerator and denominator, so I will remove the decimal and multiply by 10 to the numerator, and when I will remove the decimal from the numerator, so I will multiply by the 100 to the denominator. Now question is 273 multiply 100 divide by 13 multiply 100, 10 and 100, which is divisible. And let's check whether 273 is divisible by 13. 13 to the 26, 1 will remainder, 13 1 the 13. So it is here, it is divisible, 21 will come here. So 21 divided by 10. 10 will come in the numerator because this time 100 is, 10 will come in the denominator because this time 100 in the denominator. So the answer is 2.1. This is the answer. Last part of this question is completed. Question is done. Let's move ahead and do the next and last question of this chapter, which is this one, question number 6. With this we will finish the chapter fractions and decimals. Let's do the last question. A vehicle cover a distance of 43.2 kilometer in 2.4 liter of petrol. So distance covered in 2.4 liter of petrol is equals to 43.2 kilometer. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So distance cover in 1 liter of petrol is equals to 43.2 डिवाइड बाय 2.4 बिकॉज 1 इज़ लेस देन 2.4. तो इस केस में आप डिवाइड करते हैं. अगर आपको ग्रेटर नंबर के लिए गिवन होता है और स्मॉलर नंबर के लिए फाइंड करना होता है तो आप डिवाइड करते हैं. और अगर ऑपोजिट होता है, आपको 1 के लिए गिवन होता और 2.4 के लिए फाइंड करना होता, इन दैट केस यू विल डू मल्टीप्लाई. सो नाउ यू कैन सी here decimal is at the same place in numerator and denominator both, so decimal will cancel out by the decimal. Just terms will left 432 divided by 24. So do the division. Let's minimize these terms. I will do it divide by the 2. It will be 12 and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 से मैं divide करूँगी, 108 will come here and 6 will come here. Now you can do again divide by this 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 54. Now you can divide 54 by 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 8s are 24. 18 kilometer is the answer. This is the answer. So the vehicle covered 18 kilometer distance. That's why vehicle will cover 18 kilometer distance in 1 liter of petrol. So the chapter is ending here. होप कि मैंने आपके डाउट्स क्लियर किए हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू सो मच.